Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and welcome back to the channel. And today we have a box, which means we're doing an unboxing. And that unboxing is from none other than Soundcore by Anker. And I know what you're thinking, Soundcore by Anker, I don't know who they are. I've never heard of them. Well, they're not Sony, they're not Bose, they're not Beats by Dre, they're not Apple. They're probably not as mainstream as they would like to be, but they are slowly edging their way up, and they're gaining some traction, especially in the budget to mid-range media headphone sound type of devices. They also produce a whole slew of amazing accessories for cell phones, devices, cases, screen protectors, all plugs, outlets galore, all sorts of stuff. So check them out, check out their website. Today we're looking at the Soundcore Trance. Took me a minute to find it, but it actually says it at the bottom in this corner what this is. So this is the Trance. Now this thing is full of features and full of excitement. So what are we getting? We are getting the Trance. This is 174 views. Look at that, 4.5 of 174 views. That's pretty good. And this is only 149 bucks. For 149 bucks, this is what we get in the box. See what I mean when I said that you see Soundcore Trance really little at the bottom? There's Soundcore Trance. This is an 80-watt device with some extra bass technology. We got up to 18 hours of playtime. It charges the device. It has a USB plug. You also have a fully waterproof, so that's IPX7. I don't even know what IPX7 means, but if I had to guess, it means it's fully waterproof. You have a beat-driven light show, so that should be pretty fun. And then you have the Soundcore app, which isn't quite a feature, but more of an accessory to accompany the actual speaker. And then you also have indoor-outdoor sound modes, which we don't know what that is. Dual phone connection. I'm assuming that means I can have more than one, probably two phones connected to this at once. And wireless stereo pairing, which is pretty cool, which probably also means I can play two Soundcore speakers at the same time and create a stereo effect. Pretty amazing, all for $149. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what is in the box. So there's the speaker. Let's go ahead and take a look at the goodies. And we got some papers and a power cord, which I would like to go ahead and file a complaint, a grievance, if you will, right now. I hate power cords like this. Whenever I see this power cord, I just look at it and I'm like, I'm gonna lose you and I don't know how to replace you. That's why I hate this. So why couldn't we get a USB-C power cord to this? I don't know, but I guess at 149 bucks, you kind of get what they give you. It's like anything these days, but we don't have much of an option. So that's what we got there. Let's go ahead and get the app downloaded and installed and see how easy that experience is. So I know I'm over here. I actually have the App Store ready to go with it installing and downloading as we speak. So here it is. We have it opened up. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now I will say that I have already created my Soundcore account ahead of time in anticipation of doing this video with you guys today. So let me go ahead and put that in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at our party series, and we have the Trance, not Trance Go, but the Trance. It says it is searching for a trance. So I'm going to come up here. I suppose I'm going to push and hold this, see if something happens. Pair with Soundcore Trance. Yes, please. All right, so that is all paired up. Okay, so here it is. So we've got low battery, we know that. Lights, party, outdoor, indoor, on, bass up off, party games, DJ light, couple different spin the wheel. So they've put some time and some thought into this app that it's doing some stuff. So that's pretty cool. Enter DJ light. Oh wow. So this is a little bit more than I was expecting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get out of there. We're gonna play some music. So I already have something selected here on the use of the tubes. So let's go ahead and listen to it. Well, I turn the lights down to see if we can enjoy the light show of this thing. What do you guys think about that? It didn't sound half bad, right? It sounded pretty decent. I liked it. I think the app is way simple to use. I give Soundcore Anker mad props for this app. It's very simple. If you've ever gone inside of a Sony app for their headphones, it's like, WTF are we doing here, Sony? This is a disaster of an app. Like when I wear my M4s, ooh, they sound amazing, they feel great, but the app to make them more useful is just a disappointment. This thing, it's easy. Up is up, down is down. You know, I really, really like it. It was able to pause it, start right back up. Lots of features all in the app, all on top of the actual device themselves. For 149 bucks, this is a giant win. This is a big addition to my music life. And I have a secret I want to share with you. I'm in need of some outdoor music. There's some things going on in my life right now which are going to put me outside with you a whole lot more into the future coming up. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Head down to the comments if you want to go ahead and purchase one of these from Soundcore. I will put a link in the description, an affiliate link. If you buy through there, I earn a small commission. Thank you. Namaste. Or you can go directly to the manufacturer. You will not hurt my feelings, but it's just another way for you to support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. You want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment. Go ahead and share my content with your friends and family on social media. If you have nothing else to say or do, head down to the comments and let me know if this is your first time here and I can properly welcome you to the For the Love of Tech community. Guys, till next time, namaste.